everybody? We're back, another trip. We got 3 guys in this trailer, all bikes, and got my quad and Beluch's bike. Heading down the Rock and Rowdy at Burning Rock Offroad. It's sort of by Buckley, West Virginia, and should be a good time. Even got lover boy Beluch out the house for once. Go ride, dude. Oh! Good.
Excited?
Oh yeah, ready to let her rip. Like 4-hour drive almost exactly. It's like 4 hours, 3 minutes. But gonna stop out Cookout on the way down and hopefully get there before dark, be able to set up and see what's going on. Let's go.
Just made it here to Rock and Rowdy. We're gonna get our camp set up. We got Kyle and Ty with us this time.
Here we go, baby.
Another event weekend.
First dirt bikes in this bitch. We're ready to get rowdy.
What? Woo!
Rock and Rowdy 2023, boy. We out here about to hit the trails. We got our boy over here, Holler Boy. He just gave us a jar of moonshine, so we're gonna have a fucking great time. We're out here. We got side-by-sides everywhere. There's about 2 other dirt bikes. So I think we're gonna show them how it's done, honestly. We're gonna hit some crazy shit. We're gonna hit the Black Hill climb over there, straight up. And then, yeah, come back here and party all night.
Morning number 1. We had a good night last night. We're about to go out riding today. I think we're gonna hit trail 66 today.
So we're on trail 18 out here. There's just found this little place section, all black dirt, and I think they're gonna try this little hill. Beluch already did it, but
Oh! Yeah. You good? Yeah. Oh! Woo-hoo! Oh! Hell yeah!
so we just got back from a ride. We hit the whole Tams Trail, and we're going up this black hill climb right out of the parking lot. It's about lunchtime. See what the day holds.
Fucking branch, dude! Get that man off the bike.
Get that man off of the bike.
Ah!
I ain't going for that.
Ah! Oh!
Ethan putting on a clink for Ty out here.
What do you think, Ty? That fucking line pisses me off. If I get this, I'm just sending the fucking thing. a drip.
Come on, bit Pookie.
Oh God.
Oh, oh. Holy shit! Oh my God!
Such a fucking
Fucking started up. Out here on 66, finally found it. Made a few wrong turns, but got some big washouts. Oh God! Oh God! Hop on it! Hop on it! Jesus.
Oh goodness.
Ooh!
Oh.
He's a little deep.
Mark's at the back of the pack, letting Slates take the reins, and we all were able to dance around that edge right there, and Mark is boots deep.
Holy shit!
Well, someone showed up perfect time. Mark's able to get it towed.
All right, we just got back from a 28-mile loop that we decided to start at the early time of 1 p.m. probably. It was pretty intense, probably the most intense thing I've done in a long time, but nobody crashed too hard, a few good crashes, a lot of mud holes. Mark here, he's covered.
Yeah, there's a bunch of really deep mud holes, which made the trail, those parts sucked. Like,
It sucks, bro.
They were too deep.
They were too deep. They had this musk on top, and it like things were swimming in there, and you're just getting blasted with it. But hey, that's we're out here in the hollow. That's all right.
434. That was a long ride. Hell of a ride, but had some good views.
Serious talking. Here we go, baby. Mud hole 2023, baby. What was that dude saying? And now I can rub my nipples, baby.
What's your
first place, baby? Lottery!
all the way?
Attaboy, Paul! Yeah, Paul! There's your first place! Here we go, baby. Full turn in.
What's going on, Slates?
Oh, we're playing pool out here at 31st Sky Kids, you know?
Filling my cup with some whiskey and ice. I finished that and I chug a Busch Light. Don't give a fuck about liquor for beer, so I guess I'm in the clear. Leaving my phone at the trailer tonight. Anyone else wanna go for a bite?
We just
When I
dumped
say
up.
bite,
Round
I
one,
mean
baby.
the drink, meaning we gon' take shots till we puking the sinking. We're dancing with everyone, having the ball.
What happened? Played the first two games. Both teams put in the 8-ball on us. We made it to the finals. In the finals, man over here with the American flag hat. My partner Ty, he shot one time. He broke, made a few balls. Other guy made all the balls. I mean, I can't even be disappointed. That guy's just good. It happens. You'll get that on them bigger jobs.
Couple more songs and I'm back in the stall. If you knock on the door, then you're gonna get hit. For all that you know, man, I'm taking the shit.
We out here playing cornhole with the Prescott boys.
Winning. Lit, then it's rage. Second wind, please engage. Someone please show me the stage. Find me a mic, I got something to say. Hire the band, but the done for the day. Better fire me up, I got something to play in the zone. I'm feeling like raging. Do me a favor and buy me a shot. I toss you a 20, that's all that I got. Not all I got, but it's part of my plot. When you're playing the music, you don't buy a lot. Like a slot machine, I only pay when I wanna. It's not gonna stop you from playing.
To the top for your ass, get dropped now. Sunday, out at some old, probably a mining property or something, outlaw trails, but hitting some hills.
Oh God. Woo!
So give me your dollars and nickels and quarters, and I'ma keep playing. You're paying to support us, and I'ma go crazy. My pupils are hazy. I'm drinking Jack Daniels. Goddamn, it is tasty. My boots on Luke Casey. I'm looking like Swayze, and I got a girl who look good in some daisies. And I'm feeling lately, I just feel like raging. I'm stuck in a cage. I bust open the case. I've been slow in the race, but I still have the crown. Thank you, Wisconsin, for holding me down in the zone.
Ty's out here jumping the massive jumps.
Oh yeah, a little sore today.
That's what it was rough.
What we got, Mark? 10 cans of beef ravioli. Eating good for lunch.
How's that ride, Mark?
Ride was good. Went to some outlaw trails. It was a pretty sweet spot.
Awesome little jumps.
Jumps, real scenic.
Couple climbs. What's the plan after this?
Might go hit Key Trail. Hit some Black Diamonds or something. Concerts tonight. Just in Time, Afro Man.
Hung out
Big
with
Poe, Dirty Prescott kids. We hang out
yeah.
with them last night.
They're real cool to us.
That was rough.
God damn, why you going so fast? That's on that rock.
Out here on Key Trail, little Black Diamond.
We got a razor coming.
Good time.
He's in the rhubarb. Yeah, boy.
Your wheel's on the ground. You're good. Easy money.
If you're not going home till you're drunk and hot, let me hear y'all say, oh yeah! Oh yeah! Stop and hit the pump like Cheech and Chong. Still taste proud with a Hong Kong. So roll my joint. Pick out the Caesar stamps.
Awesome. Afro man.
Wow, it's a terrible morning right now. Pack our stuff up. Kicking it with Afro Man. Last night, you know, just in time. Dirty Prescott kids, shout out to them. Some cool dudes.
Taking us under their wing.
They were. There's Heather.
Heather, step here. Paul left.
What?
Uh-oh.
Great time. Everyone was safe. No one got hurt. That's good. What was your favorite part? Probably that black diamond. That was a little. Trail P. Favorite part.
Favorite part. I don't know, probably that black Trail P dropping in.
Wow.
I like Route 66.
Route 66. Mark. Favorite part, buddy.
Afro Man.
All right, that does it for our Rock and Rowdy trip this year.
Have a good one.